Ever wondered what happens if you crack an egg in space? Does the yolk float? Does it explode? Or does something completely unexpected happen? The answer is wilder than you think. Let's break it down. On Earth, when you crack an egg, gravity pulls the yolk and white straight down into the pan. But in zero gravity, there's no down. That means no splattering, no dripping, and no mess, well, sort of. In space, the egg doesn't fall. It forms a perfect floating blob. The yolk and egg white stick together because of surface tension, creating a jelly-like sphere. Think of water in space. It turns into floating droplets. The same thing happens to the egg. But here's the crazy part. If you poke the floating egg, the yolk might break apart into smaller blobs floating everywhere. Imagine a slow-motion egg explosion. This is why astronauts can't just crack eggs in space. It's too messy. Why doesn't the yolk and white separate? On Earth, the egg white spreads out because gravity pulls it down. In space, without gravity, the molecules hold onto each other, keeping the egg as a floating squishy sphere. The same force, surface tension, is what lets astronauts drink water in tiny floating globs. Okay, but what if you want an omelet in space? Astronauts can't fry eggs like on Earth. Instead, they use powdered eggs that are rehydrated with water. It's like making instant scrambled eggs. So cracking an egg in zero gravity doesn't spill, it floats. But poke it, and you've got an intergalactic mess. Would you eat eggs in space? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more crazy space experiments.